Anomaly detection is a great way to enable error checking and early detection of failure. Before we can use anomaly detection, let's make sure it is enabled. We can do so from the Procedures section in our work order settings. Now, let's see anomaly detection in action. Here, we can see a work order that is in progress. During the course of working on this work order, we need to record a meter reading. Let's see what happens when we enter a value that is higher than normal. Right away, we can see that MaintainX has flagged this as an anomaly. Let's investigate further. Here we have the option to review the reading and correct it if it's an error. If it's an anomaly, we can confirm it on this screen. Now we can continue on with the work order. Now that we've completed the work order, we are presented with the option to create a corrective action work order to address the anomaly.